Hey, what's up puzzle lovers? My name is Michael and welcome back to the channel Bits and Pieces. In today's video we are going to solve this puzzle. Hey, so last week I posted a very special and different video. I went for puzzle hunting in Amsterdam and I bought this puzzle. It's the same designer that made the Water Stray, Jean-Claude Constantine. So the name of this puzzle is the Double Trouble and really it looks so nice, so neat, again a really good wooden puzzle. So the goal of this puzzle is quite simple. You have two metal balls that you have to put at the same time at the beginning of each side of a puzzle, so it's like a double maze. And you have to make sure that you remove these two balls at the same time. So just by the look of it, it looks not that easy. I'm sure there will be some nice tricky movement to find out, maybe even the solution will be tricky. But we will find out. Let's go and solve this puzzle. Here's the puzzle. So again, I'm very happy with this purchase because the puzzles that Jean-Claude Constantine make are really good quality. So I already removed the two balls from the puzzle because we have to put them at the same time, making sure that these two circles here are just next to each other like this. But yeah, again, like this puzzle really look like so nice. Again, there's like some plastic glass on it and it will move nicely, so you don't have to force anything or like trouble to get stuck because of a mistake of a conception. Just the puzzle look really nice. So it might be quite challenging when I see it a bit, but we will try to solve it. So first step is to align these two circles that you can see just in the middle of the maze. Then you have to put the two balls at the same time. 1, 2, and it's now that the solving of this puzzle is starting. So we will try to put this puzzle like this, so you can see everything that I will do. So these two mazes are like made with two floors. So you have like one on the top, directly connected to the plastic glass support, and then you have like directly on the base of the puzzle you have like another maze. So which make it a bit more interesting and a bit more difficult because you can block the ball, for example like this, because of the two maze walls will like squeeze the ball, and that might give like maybe one possibility to solve each maze, but maybe not. So we'll try to also be very careful when solving it, because here maybe you have to move a ball at the same time that you do another thing to make sure that you don't get stuck and don't have just one ball going to the end and the other staying at the beginning, which will be another challenge as well, because you always have to remember that the two balls have to get out of the maze at the same time. So yeah, so this one I would just straight when you start and you have the puzzle like this. The only solution will be for this one. For now, you can just go lower. Maybe it's a trap from the beginning to force you to do this kind of moves, but I don't see any other solution. So now, my other solution will just to slide on this side, because then I can have an opening here, but also here. Now I don't know, this ball is already getting by itself there, so I will just continue like this, and now I have this ball here and I need this ball to get on the last circle like this one, otherwise I will be stuck straight away. So I can just go for it. Now I can just roll this ball here, so I have it also at the end, and I don't think that would be a possibility unless Unless I can do this, then like this, and like this. So I can go on the other side. This might be the trick here. You might need to go a lot of different time on the last circle and going back a bit on the first ones to make sure that you end up here in this direction. Okay, so I think I figured out two things. The first one is that, I hope you can see it, but you can see that there is unique place where you can align the hole with the actual maze to remove the ball. So on this side you can actually see what I'm talking about. So you can see the wall of the maze all along, and then you have the opening, the actual opening, and it's the same for the other side. But on the other side, it's here. And if you pay attention now, you can see that like this puzzle is not feasible. I mean, if you align this hole with this unique solution on this side, then on the other side, it's not aligned at all. So now, they might have different way to solve this puzzle, but the only one that I can think about is that you will kind of remove one ball first, but not completely. I mean, you will have to put your finger or something, remove the ball halfway, and so you can just tug the ball on the wall of a maze. So I don't know if it can be a solution or not, but then you are not completely removing the ball on the side. So then you can start to think about solving the other side of the maze. At this point, it has been so long that I tried to solve this puzzle by thinking that you can remove the ball at any point, but since you cannot, I will go for this solution. So we will try again to solve the puzzle from the beginning. So again, we will put back these two circles here, and we will start to put our two balls in. So with this mindset, I will just go to solve one side first and then go for the second one. I don't care if the ball come at the same time at the end or not. I don't think there is such a solution. So I also look at the picture of this maze, and it's not a default of a maze. So for sure, the design of this maze should be like this. Now, is the solution that I think about is the good one or not? I don't know. I don't know, and I cannot think about any other solution right now. So I'm just going for it. I will just go for this solution, and that's all. I don't see any other option for me right now. So I will go for this one first because it was the easiest one to go. Now I need to remember how to solve it. I think it was like this, then you will see I will be stuck. Okay, like this, and now I can move freely. I should be able to move freely, yeah. Here, and so now I'm here. So I need to go here. I need to go here, and for that I just need to go like this, go down, and so technically I have this side done. So let's do it. We just reverse the maze, so we should have the ball just half out of the puzzle, if it works. Okay, it doesn't want. So from this side I need to, well, just like this, and then I should move like this, go up. I'm a bit scared that this ball will go back, so I will just put like a stick or something, so the ball will stay here. So now this side I can just focus. You see, that's quite strange actually, because it should not go. So in one side it doesn't confirm my solution. If I don't know if the puzzle is well designed or not, that would be a bit disappointing if not, but I really cannot see another solution for this puzzle right now. And I really did try so many options and that couldn't work. Because can I go back? You see, I cannot remove from this side, so it's just strange. Sometimes the ball get out and sometimes no. Maybe I should just remove the ball. I mean, if I keep it here or remove it, it's kind of the same, but just on the purpose to stay on this idea that we need to remove the ball of each side at the same time. So let's just continue. So I'm here, I need to go back here and try to not lose the ball on the other side in the meantime. So now I can just turn you here. No, sorry, it was actually on this side, like this, and then I can just continue my way here. Obviously I'm losing the other ball now, but it's okay, it's okay. I think now I can kind of remove the two balls in the same time. Not really. Okay, so I need you back. I need you back. What a pain. Okay, I need you back, please. Okay. I think I would just remove a bar and just pretend that it's still here. So this ball should still be here. So I can continue to solve my puzzle easily, going through every side. So I continue my way, I should go here, and then I arrive at the end, and so I should have still this ball here that drops strangely, but yeah, I don't think there is any other solution. I mean, you can see that it's not feasible. And yes, even if you try to have the two balls already in place, you cannot. You cannot solve this puzzle like just by keeping the two balls inside the maze. So yeah, I want to say puzzle done. A bit sad of, so one and the second one was already out. Yeah, so two out. So if it is the solution, it makes the puzzle way much easier. Like, yeah, you can really see that it's not feasible to have these two all aligned with the correct exit, the only one actually. Like if you try to align one side, then the other side is completely in the wrong spot. And it doesn't seem to be like a default of the puzzle. I really checked the picture on the box and everything. No, it's the puzzle is made like this. So it really comforts me in the way that might be the only solution, to just keep it like halfway through and you can continue to solve the other side of the puzzle. It's quite strange, it's a strange solution, but I think it's the only option. I don't know, if it is, it's a bit sad. So yeah, I guess this puzzle is solved. So I hope you did enjoy this video and that you also enjoy the puzzle. Again, a great wooden piece from Jacques-Claude Constantin. The puzzle is really nice, really neat. Now I really wish that my solution is the correct one, because I cannot find any other solution right now. So I do believe that's the solution of this puzzle. If you did enjoy this video, please support me and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean so much to me. And also put a like on this video. If you think about any other solution to this puzzle, don't hesitate. Put a comment and let me know what you think, how to solve this puzzle. I see you next week for a new video and for some new puzzles. Bye.